Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In front of me I have POCO F8 Ultra. In this video I will show you how to use Dual Core Visual Enhancement on this device. So let's go to settings, and you want to scroll to section display and brightness. Now let's select section Dual Core Visuals, and please enable feature Dual Core Visuals. So Dual Core Visual System makes sure that you have stable video resolution, and as well that the motion is smooth, and also the overall experience is way better than without this Dual Core Visuals feature on. And additionally, you can see this preview on your screen, and you can absolutely tell the difference between two motions. The first one is without Dual Core Visuals feature on, and the second one is when this feature is enabled. So that's it. I really hope this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.